Okay, hello. So today we'll discuss about the types of chromatography. So first is the adsorption chromatography. So in adsorption chromatography, separation is based on adsorption. Here we have liquid extraction, and then stationary phase, that is the solid state. So let's say this is a stationary phase and here gas or liquid components are there, so they will get adsorbed to the stationary phase. It's adsorbed, not absorbed. Okay, now coming to thin layer chromatography. In thin layer chromatography, what happens? This was the second subtype. Stationary phase is thin layer of cells, that is silica gel or alumina, and mobile phase, that is the solvent. Mobile phase is solvent. So here we use capillary action. Capillary action is like when you suck a fruity or a fruit juice, so the liquid that flows through the pipe, that is basically what capillary action. Okay, now then coming to column chromatography. So in column chromatography we have three subtypes: gel filtration, ion exchange and affinity. So first we'll pick up gel filtration. Gel filtration, that is also called permeation chromatography, molecular sieve chromatography, size exclusion chromatography. Okay, so now what happens in gel filtration? This is based on the beads, or you can say pores. So here it's like there are beads and pores. So here now let's say we draw it like this. Let's say this is the stationary phase. Okay, so this is here we have beads. So now different point at which different components of the compound stop moving and separate from other components, that separation, that point, the separation is based on different molecular size. Now let's say I have three molecules. One is the biggest one, largest one, then we have the medium one, and this is the smallest one. Now let's talk about the smallest one. So now the smallest molecule, let's say this is the small, it will get trapped inside the pore. Okay, so if it will enter the pore, this is basically, this all is gel. Okay, so and these crosses, these are basically pores of gel. So if this smallest molecule, it will enter pore of the gel, right? So it will move slow. Now let's say if I talk about the biggest molecule. Okay, now this biggest molecule, will it get trapped inside these small pores? No. So it will move fast. So if now there is a term exclusion limit. Now what's that? Let's say if a molecule is too large to get trapped in stationary phase, okay, that point comes a limit. So a molecule which is too large to get trapped in stationary phase, that is called the exclusion limit. Okay, so now we will, this is the elution order. Elution means that which molecule will go first, which will go second, and which will go third. Basically the movement, that is, now we will discuss the elution order. So the biggest molecule will come first, medium will second, and the smallest will be at the last. Okay, so this was about gel filtration chromatography. Okay, next we'll discuss in the next session. Okay, thank you.